Zinda chuknis pe loptuk sangma la jule ta during dasang ata colligative properties discuss choche no in a solution e chapter pe na tene colligative properties discuss choche se fia chai chingata e diagram gun lafta nale nge ina beaker ji ina solvent molecules nenten solvent and solute niskot volatile in nature in kyak solvent nang solute po mix chos pasang solution inok ta ngata ika solvent ko mata ye solvent molecule bo beaker ena nentiot ta e solvent te e surface पे का molecule for example solvent molecule chuduk surface पे का कोई pressure जितना पिन ते pressure बादंग आता है vapor pressure ज़्यादा पिन ले ता ते solvent पे ना कल्टेस का तो ये solute चिक ऐड चोना पो even a change po chi ong tok zena da i का योद का ने surface का molecule chu योद ना chu yang ने Urdun gyat chik mane malus tok biking ata yang molecule khachik solute exchange chos tok surface ka solvent molecules gun decrease charuk kaltes ka to surface ka solvent molecules gun decrease chatna tene tsam signal la khwe pressure ta pin ta solvent molecules gune pressure bo decrease sonkya Darek khwe vapor pressure tsam shikta andang daksa I ka solute po add choches pe jaste solvent molecules gune tankane pressure ena decrease charuk zeteno Tena tsosla te tsos changes mang pe chat yak solute po ngata solvent and add chana po tizuk changes mang pe chat yak tiang ne ngata khachik nen tyo kyakle te gun la ngata colligative properties zeno ti gune definition gun nijal ta nyanche no ta yu nge chai chik izuk shik idea jik tang sten colligative properties chi zeno sete tene colligative properties gun chi ka depend charuk yu ma important no colligative properties depends on the number of solute particles number of solute particles and not on in nature solute particle in nature जैसे solute आता है gaseous state में आता है ना liquid state में आता है या solid state में आता है त्यो माने depend छ मिरुक जेते नो solute ते number of particles सम शिकतंग नंग तेवे का फरक छरुक जेते नो colligative properties गुनले तेरे colligative properties ngata I syllabus na type G tans te Te colligative properties ang kachi inok zena relative lowering of vapor pressure dakse tena chokshik solute chingata solvent ana add chana po vapor pressure bo decrease charuk tene depression in freezing point zena ngalla solvent po freeze chado particular temperature jika solute solvent po freeze chado particular temperature jika solute po add chana po ta khwe freezing point bo turung kam charuk decrease charuk Tail thing ma dugle elevation in boiling point. Ta solute chik solvent na add chonam po boiling point bo increase charu. Tening ata last te kind of osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure nija gulanga la pata tenok. Movement of the solvent particles from high concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane zemit pina. Ta solute chik solvent na add chonam po koi movement te kanga yang different sigyon atyak changes sigyon atyak te ngata osmotic pressure te ngata detail lena silchenokle. Ta chame sangala ngata relative lowering of vapor pressure bo discuss chenle त्यो चला ngata chi gosduk ika according to Raoult's law wo gosduk Raoult law start chwe sangala ika spera chik ma khaksan itu bor ta nge I derivation bena one bo solvent nente yang two solute nente no buginang nente duk kija confusion miong che se fiang nge mingnang tena book chosla nente teman ta ngata one bo hamesha solute yang two solvent nente no ta ika derivation bena one bo solvent two solute nente kya त्यो itu bor ta Raoult law vengata chi zepin Vapor pressure of one Bose solvent. Vapor pressure of solvent is equal to vapor pressure of pure solvent, not yotna pure, into its mole fraction. Yot yung nishanga lapatano. Ta ika ngata vapor pressure bo chi charuk solute chik solvent na add choanam po ngata vapor pressure bo decrease charuk. Decrease yani ki change song kwena change jongs. Te change po ngata kazu istano delta nyampo. Delta P1 yani ki change in the vapor pressure of solvent is equal to ngalla pure state na kwe pressure bo samshiyot tene solute po solvent na add chona po P1 vapor pressure of solvent in the solution vapor pressure of the solvent in pure state yu itu bocheno tene delta P1 yani ki change in vapor pressure of solvent is equal to P1 naught minus P1 bongata chi transduk P1 e jai ka yu nenteno P1 naught into x1 Chesana P1 is equal to P1 naught into x1. Then daru angata ina dina delta P1 is equal to P1 naught 1 minus x1. Ika P1 naught po common name 1 yung 1 yung minus x1. Delta P1 is equal to P1 not x2. Che x2 1 minus x1 is equal to x2. E relation begin kayo यहाँ पे mole fraction total mole fraction of the solution is always equal to 1. Tangi you rearrange chos tang na chi yung duk delta P1 you yung doi kena P1 not is equal to x2. Tene inna o yang gone ngata this time delta P1 upon P1 not is equal to x2 yung stot. Tene inna o delta P1 upon P1 not is equal to e change po ngata kazu diat pin P1 not delta P1 is equal to P1 not pure bang ne solution itio minus chostang na change po bing chenok te pe you distance change po nge upon P1 not you inna o chap kyung is equal to x2 you paste the distance okay tene ta inna dinle P1 not minus P1 upon P1 not is equal to x2 ngata ka ju piano mole fraction number of moles of solute you mole fraction of solute two solute taika number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute P1 naught minus P1 in now upon P1 naught is equal to N2 upon N1 N2 upon N1 N1 ng N2 nisका denominator na स्थाना po N2 यानी कि solute number of moles po N1 isang mayunjig mane metyak tipya neglect chona diano because N2 yani ki number of moles of solute is much less than number of moles of solvent tipya ko metkan choste no ka neglect choste tene ta equation buchi yung zena P1 naught minus P1 upon P1 naught is equal to number of moles ka जुम्पिया given mass upon molar mass of 2 yani ki solute whole divided by given mass upon molar mass of 1 solvent. Tene inna kane angata stana yang ye inna ka P1 naught minus P1 upon P1 naught is equal to given mass small m of 2 solute upon molar mass of 2 whole divided by given mass of solvent upon molar mass of solvent. Tang ye peste chosteno. Use ta kirtang na P1 naught minus P1 a whole divided by P1 naught is equal to M2 upon M2 capital M2 into use ta kirna capital M1 upon small m1 ता ई फॉर्मूला हो क्या रिलेटिव लोअरिंग ऑफ वेपर प्रेशर या वेपर प्रेशर गुणफिंचे से पिया यूज छानोकले तेने इन्ना फॉर्मूला हो का रिलेटिव लोअरिंग ऑफ वेपर प्रेशर ई फॉर्मूला हो इन त्यो ngata kazu यूज छारुक न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व चला त्यो फिया ngata क्वेश्चन जिग्नेन तांगेन जैसे क्वेश्चन बोदुक इका Vapor pressure of pure water at 298 Kelvin is 23.8 mmHg full stop. 50 gram of urea is dissolved in 850 gram of water. Calculate vapor pressure of water for this solution and its relative lowering. Tangata inachi indak urea was solute indak yang water was solvent indak. Ta inachi riktang stedu gun ngata distan goma given yot kan gun. Vapor pressure of pure water यानी कि P1 naught solvent P1 naught pure solvent pure water is equal to 23.8 mmHg. Molar mass of solute given mass of solute urea in of solute ते वे given mass पर हम दुख 50 gram molar mass of urea वे molar mass का जो पियानो इकाई ये चाहिए डिस्कस जो चीज पियाई का तांस देवत urea वे formula यू नोकले NH2C double bond O NH2 nitrogen sam duk nis duk nitrogen 2 into 14 kwe mass nitrogen rere mass po 14 hydrogen sam duk 2 to 4 hydrogen 4 duk hydrogen mass sam 1 that is equal to 4 carbon sam duk chik duk carbon mass 12 nenat pin 12 into 1 12 oxygen kwe mass po 16 oxygen chik mani miruk te phe into 1 tas pa 16 total io 60 charu te phe ngi ka molar mass of solute का urea in teve molar mass po 60 gram nente water bongata है solvent ino given mass of solvent यानी कि water 850 gram खोने तांस्ते दुक molar mass 18 gram ino ngata pata तो water e molar mass 18 gram ता ngata है दक्षे ती formula use chano relative lowering of vapor pressure P1 naught minus P1 upon P1 naught यानी कि relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to small m2 upon capital M2 2 chief या solute and capital M1 upon small m1 solvent efia inna formula o tene use chano ngatai same sangala chi phiala p1 not gun in output choices m2 capital m2 capital m1 small m1 pura put chos te ngata chi biok goma ngata biok le p1 mmhg na bing cheno hg na tene p1 a value in ataste P1 not kangala ngata given yot minus P1 a value sum yung nang upon P1 not just the chi yung nang tyo chinok relative lowering. Gumata ina pinches pochi pinches calculate vapor pressure of water. Vapor pressure of water in the solution for this solution. Solution na yot ka ne solvent a vapor pressure bongata ka sustanano pure ifiata not tano pure man te solution na des te yot kan ba P1 na postanches. One means solvent. Cow solution en ayot. Goma P1 bo ping zeteno vapor pressure of water for the solution. This thing ata yu pincheno. Pura pinches tukle changla kaspek miruk tyo ngi je chocheno problem yodna comment en adi cheno.